Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best angle clamp reviews. Number 5. Dr. Machinist 4 PC's 3.3 inches 90-degree right-angle corner holder clamp. Suitable for woodworking, furniture pieces connection, fish tank fixing, picture framing reinforcement, etc. Aluminum alloy construction for maximum lasting. Adjustable jaws and steel screws can fix any object securely. Brand, Dr. Machinist. Weight, 1.2 pounds. Color, red. Dimension, 8.3 into 1 into 4 inches. Maximum clamping range, 3 inches. Material, zinc alloy. Number 4. Right angle clamp, Housolution single handle 90 degrees aluminum alloy corner clamp. Aluminum alloy die casting construction for lasting long. Rubberized single handle is solid and anti-skid helps to set up securely and instantly. Adjustable rotary jaw for holding work pieces precisely. Brand, Housolution. Weight, 2.03 pounds. Dimension, 11 into 8.2 into 2 inches. Material, aluminum alloy. Angle clamp, 90 degree. Jaw width, 3.54 inches. Number 3. Can-do clamp. Can hold up to 2¼ inches wood pieces. Aluminum alloy metal construction is very sturdy. T-shaped handle for applying pressure. 2 swivel points and clamps on both sides to hold workpiece securely. Brand, MLCS. Weight, 2.6 pounds. Model, 9001. Color, red. Dimension, 8.7 into 8.6 into 2.4 inches. Material, aluminum. Number 2. Wolfcraft 3,415,405 quick jaw right angle 90 degree corner clamp. Perfect for clamping, aligning, welding, nailing, and screwing. 3 inches clamp face to hold round materials. Aluminum clamp is durable and ideal for making box frames or cabinets. Brand, Wolfcraft. Weight, 2.69 pounds. Model, 34155405. Color, multi. Dimension, 16.5 into 9 into 2 inches. Material, multi. Number 1. Vessi Tools WS3 Plus 2K 90 degree angle clamp. 1, 3, or 16 inches opening can accommodate 2, 3, or 16 inches of wood on each corner. 2 TK6 table clamps for mounting to the workbench edge. Ergonomic handle requires minimal strain to tighten or loosen the grip. Brand, Bessie Tools. Weight, 2.35 pounds. Model, WS3 2K. Color, red. Dimension, 3x 5.9x 14.6 inches. Angle clamp, 90 degree.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!